Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have a doorbell, so it's like I can hang it on the door so when my dog is ready to go potty, she'll let me know. So let's see what this looks like here. Oh, I guess that just kind of rips off. And so this is it here. It's got a little clip so you can kind of clip it around the doorknob. And then my dog can just jingle it when she's ready to go out. So I can go put this on the door here. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's see if she'll come over maybe. Penny, come here. Penny, 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 Penny. Look at this, Penny. Here you go. Good girl. So I can just clip it around here however I want like that. And then when you need to go out, Penny, you can just do that. You want to do that? Look, okay, come here. Look, Penny. Oh, look at Dad. There you go. Come here. Oh, she's tiny, but she could just go and play with that. Look, look. You like that? No? She's a little scared of it right now. But I guess I got to teach her how it works. She doesn't know until I teach her. But kind of cool, kind of festive as well. So cool, nice. Thumbs up.